everyone. So we are the Blue Core. So we're tackling about the muscular systems. Before that, we would like to introduce. My name is Manny Vidal, together with Mike.
I am Jean-Paul Segalvet.
So what is the muscular system? So muscular system is an organism system that consists of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. It permits the movement of the body and maintain posture and the circulate blood throughout the body. The muscular system is vibrate and controlled through the nervous system. All of some muscles, such as the cardiac muscles, and can be completely autonomous, so together with the skeletal system, and which is responsible for the movement of the body. So the muscular system, so we have the three consisting of organ systems. So number one is the skeletal muscles. So skeletal muscles is makita na to siya diri nga part sa iya jungkoan under our skin. So the location is attached to the bones by tendons. Okay. Then under the voluntary siya and ga-function sa control through the somatic nervous system and strip appearance. Then ga-function siya is ga-produce siya body movements and maintain posture and generate heat. And let's move on. The second one is the cardiac muscles. Oh my God, the cardiac muscles. The pump only in the heart walls, and involuntary siya is ga-control siya autonomic nervous system, and sweetie ko siya streak or appearance. Then yung function ko is ga-pump siya blood through the body. Yes. And the third one is the smooth muscles. So makita siya from the walls of hollow organ or viscera such as stomach. So na siya diri dapit guys, diri. Then the intense of blood vessels and urinary system. So what is siya? Skeletal muscles is a muscle tissues consisting chiefly of the muscle cells that are highly specialized for contractions. Our bodies contains, there are three type of muscles. So what is siya? We have skeletal muscles, we have cardiac muscles, and we have the smooth muscles. Thank you. Okay, the nervous system is communicates skeletal muscles as a neuromuscular junction. So N and G. So there are the steps that initiate the muscles contraction. So ano siya guys? Relates the neuromuscular junction. So makita natin siya mga axon and terminal and sarcolemma. So dili na siya makita guys. So mao niya itong bone guys. So mao ni siya ang kuan ang teachable. So then number two is the action potentials that reaches the T-tube in action. So mao ni siya. Ga-down siya sa kuan. Wala dito ga-prevent siya sa kuan. Mao ni siya ang tikuan sa bukog bitaw. Then the next is, so we have sarcoplasmic release, the CO2 fast. So mao ni kaning burot mao ni siya. Then kaning burot is called the active site exposure that cause bridge formation. Then magbigin siya with the actin, at kaning kung gabigin sa babang ubos is mao na siyang myosin. Contraction cycle begins, so mauni siya ang function bitaw sa kumpaan. So magbigin siya. Then the steps that end of the muscles contraction, so we have broken down. So mara gyapon ibalik-balik na ako. Then the what is this? The sarcoplasmatic reticulum and ribosomes. I mean. So mauni siya libog siya. Then mauni kaniyang spacing. Kung asa nakabutang ang Cl2+. Then the last we have second to the last contraction the end. So mao ni siya. Makita nato kaning linya sa ato ang buko. Contraction cycle begins sa mao ni. Muscles relaxations occurs is ilang boundary. Diri kung asa nakakuha ng R. So that's all.
So first, parallel muscles. The fascicles are parallel to the long axis of the musicle. Most of the skeletal muscles in the body of parallel muscles. Next, convergent muscles. Muscular fascicles extended over a broad area together are converged on a common attachment site. Next, pinnate muscles. The fascicles form a common angle with the tendon because the muscle fiber pull an angle. Contracting, denate muscles do not move their tendons as far as parallel muscles do. Next, circular muscles are sphincter. So next, circular muscles are sphincter. The fascicles are concentrically arranged around an opening. When the muscles and contrast in diameter of the opening become smaller. So next, circular muscles
So we will illustrate the classification of the muscles. So this is our human body. So the first is the parallel muscles, the biceps or branchial muscles. So dali na to siya makitaan guys. So we have the cross belly. So na siya mga gagmay nga mga function pod and the cross sections and the muscles. Then the next is the letter B, the parallel muscles with the tendon bands. So makita nato siya is kanang parallel muscles is mo na siya ang atong kuan. Tendon bands mo na siya ato ang abs. So makita nato siya diri. Look at the human body. And second and the third is the wrapping muscles that supinature. So makita nato is diri dapit garap siya. Diri. Then next is the convergent muscles. So diri nato siya makitaan guys, diri dapit. Mo na siya tong convergent muscles. Kana dito mo gawas dito tong kuan diri. Then na siya cross sections, napit siya gamay na function na and the base of muscles pod siya. Then the next is unipinate muscles. Extensor or digitorum muscles. So na siya diri guys, diri extension siya sa kuan. Sa muscles. Then the next is the bipinate muscles or rectus femoris muscles. So ang femur mo na siya diri dapit diri sa atong kuan. Mo na siya ang femur ha, mo siya bipinate muscles or rectus femoris muscle penis. And the last, so that's all.
So next, axial and appendicular muscles. The separation of the skeletal system into axial and appendicular muscles. Axial muscles, comprising about 60% skeletal muscles, support the head, spinal column, and the rib cage, facilitating breathing while appendicular muscles, making up remaining 40% stabilize and move the appendicular skeleton.